Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in world sentiment, with a momentum of plus 0.87. This surge is unusual compared to recent trends, especially considering the sentiment score is only at plus 0.02. It suggests that while there's strong momentum, the overall sentiment hasn't fully caught up yet. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint shifts in public opinion. Imagine using this data for a real-time news application, where you can alert users to emerging trends before they fully materialize. Dive deeper into our documentation to explore how you can leverage these insights. Pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs